Oh, hi everyone. Anyway, hello everyone. My group topic is cyberbullying. This part. This part is contents. Part one, brief introduction. Part two, class introduction. Part three, self questions. Next part one, brief introduction. Fine. 好，with the development of the internet, many people have enjoyed these rocks. It's bringing us convenient, but also bringing us some troubles. For example, cyberbullying. Cyberbullying refers to international and repeated acts of harming those on online platforms and electronic devices. Cyberbullying has the following features. Unlimited persistence, rapid spread, wide ranging. From the polluted stations, one third of the world's population has suffered from cyberbullying. Its case series have to the victims. Include but not limited to psychology and physical harm. In service case, it also or it can also cause people to commit securities and case social problems. 好，next is part two.
Okay, now let me continue the case introduction. The first case is about online privacy violation. Xiao Zhang forwarded a message and some videos involving Xiao Huang on the internet, including an indecent video, and implied that the woman in the video was Xiao Huang. Xiao Zhang invited everyone to eat melons in the circle of friends. This content spread rapidly among students, causing Xiao Huang tremendous psychological pressure and social evaluation. So in this case, our discussion is in the internet information age, everyone seems to wear a mask and blend into the crowded. Some masked people are more likely to attack others, and the attacks last for a long time. So we can speak out, but we also need to get the facts right. Don't make one or two labels, just lose your eyes. In this case, we can see the impact. Cyberbullying is different from traditional bullying in that it is concealed, spreads quickly, and covers a wide range. For teenagers, cyberbullying can cause psychological trauma and even affect their social skills and future outlook on life. The second case is about cyber-verbal assault. A 14-year-old girl gained some followers after becoming a well-known model, but along with these followers came some banned voices. Many people left messages on her social media, verbally abusing her, which led to her suicide. In this case, our discussion is the invisible pressure is of online verbal bullying destroyed a child. These attacks were unprovoked but full of malice. Everyone was mere licensed to this underage child. Amy was in adolescence and she was very sensitive to everything around her. These inexplicable attacks and the ridicules from strangers have been bothering this delicate-minded child, leading to the final misfortune. We can see the impact. The online world has become a part of our lives. Being public online is undoubtedly an inevitable trend, just as each of us has a variety of social media accounts, which may answer some questions, may share their life experience, may tell their own unique insights, but freedom of speech is not nonsense. So remember to think about another person before you speak. Respecting others is also respecting yourself. So the next part will be continue my partner.
Okay, the part 3 is the self-questioning. And we can have the 2 parts. The first part is real self. Our own identities in the real world, including our own personalities, behaviors, and human communication and interaction in real-world settings. And the characteristics is influence of social values and psychological factors mirror to a certain extent. And the next part is online self. The self-image displayed in the online environment may be an idealized, fictional, or realized self-expression, or it may be a strategy for individuals to adapt to and cope with the online environment. And the characteristics of online self is anonymity and intelligence, lack of responsibility, and change perception of consequences. Yes. And now is the integration of real self and online self. The first one is education awareness, improve online literacy education, and enhance cognition. The second one is strengthen support systems, provide psychological counseling and legal aid to victims. The third one is holding responsibilities, increase penalties, and promote responsible online behavior. And the last one is culture concept transformation, cultivate online civilization, understanding, and empathy. Okay, these are our presentation. Thank you very much.